I almost died just now. McDowell, 79th Avenue. I could have fucking died. This idiot in the black truck. Damn, he... Like, fuck, I almost could have died, man. I was just walking through the intersection, and this idiot in the black truck... Oh... I don't freaking know, man. Like, shit. Oh no. Hey, are you okay?
Okay.
You okay? Well, she might be in shock. She could have gotten a concussion.
Yeah.
I'll testify in court for you. That was ridiculous. You just got... I don't think you're there. Like, I think you got...
No, I'm here. Don't worry about that.
This idiot just ran through the light.
That's
Like,
what happened?
yeah.
It was literally like 2 seconds.
Yeah. And I was walking right there. I almost died.
Is that dude?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah. Oh my God. Like, it totaled this car. Like, seriously. Like, my life just freaking flashed before my freaking eyes. Like, what the hell?
Where's the guy from here?
I guess he took off.
Yeah?
I guess he took off. I could see why he took off, because he caused this shit. He must have a warrant or something.
Did he take off?
Maybe he is. I heard some...
I remember I saw him get out. Yeah, I saw him get out.